So yesterday, on the way home from dinner, I rode a tricycle by myself, and then I decided to ask the tricycle driver anong opinion niya about tourism, increasing tourism dito sa Tawi-Tawi. And then niingon siya na ganahan siya na mas madami yung tourism here in Tawi-Tawi kasi he used to work sa government pero now he wants to be full-time tour guide daw. So ganahan jud siya na more and more tourists visit Tawi-Tawi. And I told him, ingon ko, daghan tao na iniingon na nahadlok sila mo are. People are scared to come to Tawi-Tawi because of the history of the place. And he was a bit young and he said, ngano hadlok man ang mga tao? Why are the people scared? And I said, wala, kay mga tao man jud, people from other parts of the Philippines, there is a perception of Tawi-Tawi and we're close to the Sulu Sea. There's a lot of happenings, diba? So he was a bit confused. He didn't understand why we would be so scared to visit Tawi-Tawi. So yeah, this video is obviously not a video to say, hey guys, it's safe. I'm not saying any of that. It's just a perspective from a local who was actually quite surprised that people find Tawi-Tawi a dangerous place. And also, we had a meeting with the mayor and he also confirms that for him, Tawi-Tawi is a very safe place. So yeah, yun lang. Sorry if I'm doing Taglish, Tag Bisaya English, because I'm getting confused myself.